C, 2.1 tons, convert to kg first. In this one, from ton, we want to convert to kg first. 1 ton equal to 1,000 kilogram. 2.1 tons equal to, or no, we cross multiply 2.5 tons times 1,000 gram over 1 ton. So ton we cancel ton. I have with the 2.5 times 1,000 kilogram, which give me 2,100 kilogram. 2,100 kilogram. Then the next thing, we convert kilogram to gram. That is the first one. Now, to answer the first question, we have not answered the question. We are moving from ton to gram and from gram to milligram. But first, we will convert it to kilogram. From kilogram to gram, from gram to milligram. So the next thing is to convert 2,100 kilogram to grams, which will now give me 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams, as we have been doing. 2,100 grams equal to, or no, we cross multiply. Kilogram cancel kilogram. 2,100 times 1,000 grams will give me 2,100,000 grams. 2,100,000 grams. So that is the first answer. The next thing is to answer the second one, which is ton to milligram. So the next one is 2.5 tons convert to kg first. We want to convert 2.1 tons to kg. 1 tons equal to 1,000 kilogram. So 2.1 tons equal to, or no, we cross multiply. 2.1 tons times 1,000 kg over 1 ton. Ton will cancel tons. So 2.1 times 1,000 give me 2,100 kg. So 100 kg. That 100 kg is not the answer we are looking for. It's gram that we are looking for. So we now convert 2,100 kg to gram, which is this. Then convert 2,100 kilogram to grams, which is 1 gram equal to 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 gram. So 2,100 gram equal to, no, we cross multiply, we divide. Kg, we cancel kg. 2,100 times 1,000 give me 2,100,000. So that is for gram. So for the gram, we have 2,100,000. The next thing is to now convert this 2,100,000 to milligram, to mg. So which is the same thing. We know that 1 gram equal to 1,000 milligram. And then 2,100,000 gram equal to, or no, we cross multiply again. Once we cross multiply, kg, g, we cancel g. We are left with mg. So 2,100,000 times 1,000, which now give me 2,100,000,000 mg. 2,100,000,000 mg. By the time we multiply the two together. So that is the answer to that question. So we have converted it to gram and milligram. Example 4. Convert the following capacities to liters. 850 ml, 3.2 cl, 2.5 kl, and then 1,000 cl. They ask us to convert this one. This one is under capacity to liters. Let's look at the solution. 850 ml. 1 liter equal to 1,000 ml. Or no liter equal to 850 ml. So we cross multiply. Since we are moving from small to big, we are dividing here. So when we cross multiply, this will multiply this will multiply this. That is 850 ml times 1 liter over 1,000 ml. So ml cancel ml. I left with the 850 liter times liter over 1,000. 0 cancel 0. I have with the 85 over 100. So 85 over 100 will give me 0.85 liters. 0.85 liters. So that is what is going to give us. Very simple. That means we are converting from small unit to bigger unit, so we are dividing. Once you know the relationship that exists between them, we don't divide. Don't forget that keynote. It's very, very important. The next one is this: B, 2.3 cl to liters. 100 cl equal to 1 liter. 100 cl equal to 1 liter. So 2.3 cl equal to unknown. So we cross multiply again and we divide. This 2.3 cl we multiply 1 liter, and then 100 cl we multiply unknown. We now divide it to get what we are looking for. So 3.2 cl times 1 liter over 100 cl. Cl will cancel Cl. Cl will cancel Cl. So I left with the 3.2 times 1 liter over 100. When I divide this, it will give me 0.032 liters. To divide by part of them, I've told you, you move the decimal point to the left hand side with the number of 0 you have as denominator. That what will determine the number of times we are going to move it. So when we move it to 1, we put 0 here, put another, we had 0. So give me, now we move here 1, 2. We now put another 0. So give me 0.32 liters. So that is the answer to the question B. Let's look at the question C. 2.3 kl to liters, kiloliters. 2.5 kiloliters to liters. 1 kl equal to 1,000 liters. 2.5 kl equal to unknown. The same thing, we cross multiply and divide. 2.5 kiloliters times 1,000 liters over 1 kiloliter. Kiloliter will cancel to kiloliter. I have 2.5 times 1,000, which will give me 2,500 liters. 2,500 liters. D, convert 1,000 centiliters to liters. So convert 1,000 centiliters to liters. So now we remember that our 100 centiliter equal to 1 liter. 100 centiliter equal to 1 liter. So 1,000 centiliter equal to unknown. We cross multiply and divide. So when we cross multiply, 1,000 centiliter will multiply 1 liter. And then 100 centiliter will multiply unknown. When we cross multiply, centiliter will cancel centiliter. So we have 1,000 times 1 liter over 100. 20 will cancel 20. We have 10 liters. So give me 10 liters. 10 liters. The next thing we are going to is the arithmetic operations with metric quantities. Arithmetic operation with metric quantities. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division metric system are carried out exactly the same way as decimal numbers are carried out. The way we used to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the decimal numbers, the same way we are dealing with this. What do you mean by that? The decimal number and the decimal point will be vertical. We arrange it the way we used to arrange our decimal numbers. I think we have done that at the in the previous chapter of the lesson. The addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, multiplication and division of decimal numbers. So you just need to refresh, you recall everything under it. Remember to always convert to the same unit or the unit you are asked. So this is what differentiates addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of metric quantities from decimal numbers. Because the unit, if the units are not the same, you convert it to the same unit, or the unit the question asks you to convert it. We will see in the the consequence example. So now let's look at the example 1. Work out the following and give your answer in meter. We see that in this place the unit is well specified here or well stated. Now look at A, 3,500 millimeter plus 158 centimeter plus 4.5 meter plus 2.5 kilometer. So all the units are not the same thing. So the first thing for us to do is to convert them to the same unit. B is 0.85 kilometer plus 24.3 meter plus 1248 centimeter. C, 20.5 meter minus 2580 millimeter. Now, if we look at the questions, their units are not the same thing. Assuming the unit they ask us to express our answer is not specified, it's our duty to express it to any unit of your choice. But what we after is that all of them must have the same unit. All of them must have the same unit before we can add or we can subtract. So let's look at the solution. So we want to add everything together. First, convert all the unit to meters. So convert all the unit to meters. So the first one is 350 millimeters. So 350 millimeters to meters. 1000 millimeters equal to 1 meter. So that means 350 equal to x. We cross multiply, we divide. So 0 will cancel 0. 35 over 100 will give me 0.350 meter. 3.50 meter. So will give me that. We have converted the first one, 350 millimeter to meter. It gives us 0.350 meter. The next one, 158 centimeter to meter. 100 centimeter to 1 meter. 158 centimeter to no. So we cross multiply all the one we have done before. We now apply them. So you can cross check again, go over the lesson again to grab how to convert from one unit to another. So now when we divide it by 100, give me 1.58 meter. The next one, which is kilometer, also we convert it 2.5 kilometer to meter. We also give me 2,500 meter. That is 1,000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Or no kilometer equal to 2.5 kilometer. When we cross multiply and divide, it give me 2,500 meter. You give me 2,500 meter. Now that we have converted everything to meters, the next thing is to arrange it like our decimal numbers. 0.350 meter, 1.580 meter, 4.500 meter, 2,500.00 meter. You see, we add these zeros in order to make up the number of digits for the numbers we have, so that the decimal point will be on the vertical line. So that the decimal point will be on the vertical line, like we used to do under the decimal numbers. So we can look at it now that all are now in meters. So we can now add them together. We can now add them together. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 give me 0. 8 plus 5 give me 13 plus 0. 13 plus 0, 13. We write 3. Carry 1 to this one, which will give me 4. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. 14 plus 0 equal to 14. We write 4. Carried 1. 1 plus 0 give me 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4 give me 6. 6 plus 0 give us 6. Nothing is here, so give me 0. And this one give me 5. And this one give me 2. So my answer will now be 2,506.430 meter. So that is it. So that is the answer to that question. B, 0.85 kilometers plus 24.3 meters plus 1,245 centimeters to meters. So it's only this one that is already in meters. So the next one, we'll convert this kilometer to meters and centimeter to meters before we can add. So all of them must be the same unit. So 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meters. 0.85 kilometer equal to unknown. We cross multiply and divide. 1,000 meter times 0.5 kilometer over 1 kilometer. We cross multiply like this and divide it. So kilometer cancel kilometers. 100 meter times 0.85 will give me 850 meters. 850 meters. So we are done with that one. So remain this centimeter also. 1,245 centimeter to meters. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 1,245 centimeter equal to unknown. We cross multiply That is 1,245 centimeter multiply 1 meter over 100 centimeters. Centimeter will cancel centimeter. When we divide this by 1,245 over 100, give me 12.45 meters. So we have converted that one also to meters. The next thing is to arrange our numbers. So 850 meters. So we put point because of the decimal number to make up the number of digits 0 0 plus 24.30 meter, 12.45 meter. So all of them now they are meters. So let's add them together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 5. 0 plus 3 3. 3 plus 4 7. Our decimal point we put it there. Vertical. 0 plus 4 4. 4 plus 2 6. So my answer is 6. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. Put it there. 8. Nothing is here, so we put 8. So my answer will be 886.75 meters. So that's the answer to that one. The next one, which is C, subtraction. The same 20.5 meter minus 2,588 millimeters. The same method, the same procedures. That is what we did for that addition. We do the same thing. The only difference between the two is that we are subtracting now. We are not adding. But before we can subtract, we convert all the units to the same thing, which is a meter. So this one is already in meters. The next one is to convert 2,588 millimeter to meters. And to do that, 1,000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 2,580 millimeters equal to or no. We cross multiply and divide by 1,000. So millimeter will cancel millimeters. So 0 cancels 0. 258 over 100 will give me 2.58 meters. So that means we are now 20.5 meter minus 2.58 meters. So we rearrange it the way we used to arrange our decimal number. 20.50 meters to make up the number of digits. 2.58 meters. So two of them now they are meter, no more millimeter. That is what we want to see there. So this one is 0, less than this. So we borrow 1 from 5 to this one, give me 10. So 8 minus 10 give me 2. 8 minus 10 give us 2. So this one remains 14. So we go to this place to go and borrow 1. We borrow 1 to this place, it give me 10. This one remains 1. So we borrow 1 from this 10, add it to this one, it give us 14. So now that means 14 minus 5 give me 9. And don't forget this one remains 9. So that means 9 minus 2 give me 7. And this one remains 1, which is this. So my answer will be 17.98 meters. So all of them, they are now in meters. Example 2. Work out the following and give your answer in kilometer. Work out the following and give your answer in kilometers. So don't forget that I've told you, if the unit is not specified, we convert it to any unit of our choice. But here, the unit is stated, which is kilometer. So that means we are converting all the units we have there to kilometer. Those that are not kilometer. So let's look at it. 40 meters. So we are converting this 40 meter to kilometer plus 800 centimeter. We are converting 800 centimeter to kilometer. 120,000 centimeter. We are converting this also to centimeter. Is 0.05 kilometer. So this one is already in kilometer. We will not tamper with this one. So let's go to the solution. Solution. 40 meter plus 800 centimeter plus 120,000 centimeter plus 0.5 kilometer. Convert all of them to the same unit, which is a kilometer, as I've said before. So 40 meter to kilometer. We multiply 40 meter times 1 kilometer over 1,000 kilometer. Don't forget the way we used to do it. 1,000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. 40 meter equal to or no. So by now, I'm expecting you to be doing all this by yourself without looking at the your video again. 40 meter times 1 kilometer over 1,000 kilometer. Kilometer cancel kilometer. 0 cancel 0. Have 4 over 100. 4 over 100 divide 4 divided by 100 will give me 0.04 kilometer. 0.04 kilometer. The next one will convert 8,000 centimeter to also kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 100 centimeter. 100,000 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 100,000 centimeter. So unknown kilometer equal to 8,000 centimeter. So we cross multiply and divide. Centimeter will cancel centimeter. 30 will cancel 30. We have 8 over 100. If I divide 8 over 100, give me 0.08 kilometer. So we have converted these two to kilometer. It remains 120,000 centimeter. Let's do the same thing. Divide it by 100 centimeter. Convert 120 centimeter to kilometer. We know we divide the 100 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. So that means we are dividing 120,000 kilometer by 100,000 centimeter. So when you cancel 0, we cancel out, and we have 1.2 kilometer. This 0 cancel this cancel this cancel this cancel this. I have 12 over 10. So 10 goes in 12. 1 remainder 2. Add 0 to that 2. Give me 20. 10 goes in 22 kilometer. So that is it. So all of them now, they are in kilometers. So I can now add them together. Before I will do that, let me arrange it. It's 0.04 kilometer, it's 0.08 kilometer, 1.20 kilometer, is 0.05 kilometer. So that the decimal point is of a vertical line. All of them now, they are in kilometers. So we can add them together. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. I will write 7, carried 1 to the next number. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. So I will write my 3. My decimal point, bring it, I put my decimal point. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So my answer will be 1.37 kilometer. So this is the end of that examples. And the answer is 1.37 kilometer. Don't forget, what we are looking for is that how to call all your units must be the same thing before you can add, before you can subtract. If you add like that, it's wrong. If they don't have the same unit, you cannot add them together. Exercise and assignment. Work out the following and give your answer in liters. A, 145 liters plus 876 liters plus 721 centiliters. B, 856 liters minus 0.573 kiloliters. C, so these two, express them in liters. C, 43,275 gram minus 18.459 kilogram. Give your answer in kilogram. So I want you to solve all these ones to check. Maybe you really understood all what we have been doing since the beginning of this lesson. And this lesson, this is where we are going to stop for today's class, because we have not achieved 3 objectives out of the stated objective and above, which is measuring of the time and money and calculation under time and money. So when we meet again in the next class, we'll continue from where we stop. So this is the end of the